In this video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Logitech G502 Hero. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Customizing your Logitech G502 Hero and changing all of the settings like sensitivity, DPI, the lighting, and so on can easily be done through the G-Hub software. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to download and use the software. You will be able to change some settings like the DPI by using the buttons available on the mouse, but if you want advanced customization, you will need the software. Now, I am using the G502X Lightspeed in this video, but don't worry, the process of customizing these mice is exactly the same. So even though I don't have the exact model that you might be using, you will still be able to follow the exact same steps as me. So all that you have to do is open a web browser, go to the Logitech website, and in here you will be able to find the G-Hub software. So go to logitechg.com, hover over software, and download G-Hub for Windows or Mac OS. Now, when you open the software, it should automatically detect your mouse. You will be able to click it on here and start customizing. So the first thing that you will see is going to be the sensitivity. In here, you will have the DPI settings. You will be able to add a bunch of settings. And by using the DPI button on your mouse, you will be able to swap between them. So by using the DPI button, you will be able to switch between all of these presets that you have made to make the mouse sensitivity faster or slower. Now, I like to use only one, so I don't use the button. So you will be able to set it to only a single DPI speed here if you want. Alternatively, just make a bunch of settings here and you will be able to assign the DPI speed button. You will be able to change the polling rate. Usually higher is better, even though it means a little bit more battery consumed, it is going to be worth it. And then you have the assignments, so the macros. As you can see, I use F9 on this specific button on my G502 model. You will be able to do the same. So click on any button that you see available here, and you will be able to assign it to something. So for example, if I want Ctrl Z to be assigned to the scroll wheel right, all I have to do is drag it here. And once I drag it into this specific button, I'll be able to use it. You can use default, so just do this, and now it is going to be back to the original button, and you will be able to make custom profiles for specific games, so you don't have to use the same macros for every single game in your computer. I hope I was able to help you on how to customize Logitech G502 Hero. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.